Picture this, a vine loaded with big, juicy tomatoes, but instead of waiting forever, you're harvesting them weeks earlier. Sounds like magic? Nope, just smart gardening. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to ripen tomatoes faster and get the most delicious harvest ahead of time. Tomatoes at peak ripeness are pure joy. Sweet, juicy, bursting with flavor. But waiting too long can mean pests, unpredictable weather, or even losing your crop. So let's dive into the science and secrets of ripening tomatoes faster, naturally. First things first, how do tomatoes even ripen? It all comes down to ethylene, a natural gas that triggers the ripening process. Tomatoes produce it themselves, but we can give nature a little nudge. Ripening isn't just about color change, it's a transformation. Starches convert into sugars, acids balance out, and that firm texture softens into pure perfection. Now let's speed things up. Tomato plants love soaking up the sun, but too many leaves can block light and airflow. Snip off excess leaves around the fruits to focus energy where it matters most, ripening. A little controlled drought can trick your plant into ripening fruit faster. Reduce watering slightly when tomatoes start turning, but don't overdo it. We're ripening, not ruining. If your plant is still pushing out new growth late in the season, snip off the tops. This tells the plant to stop growing leaves and start ripening what's already there. Remember ethylene gas? Bananas and apples release loads of it. Place a few near your tomatoes in a paper bag and boom, faster ripening. Too many green tomatoes? Store them in a warm, dark spot with airflow like a breathable cardboard box. They'll ripen beautifully without getting mushy. Ever notice tomatoes spoil faster from the top? Store them stem side down to slow moisture loss and ripen them evenly. So there you have it. Science-backed, tried and tested methods to get ripe, juicy tomatoes faster than ever. Prune, stress, but not too much, top off, and use nature's own ethylene boosters to speed up the process. Now tell me, what's your favorite tomato ripening trick? Drop it in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing gardening tips. See you in the next video.